Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share a super easy and effective hair mask made out of just 4 ingredients that are easily available in our kitchen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. In a bowl, add a sliced banana. If your hair is long, then add 2. Next we'll add half a cup of yogurt to it. Add extra depending on your hair length. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey into it. And lastly, I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. If you do not have olive oil, you can also add some coconut oil instead. Next step is to grind it in a blender so that the mixture is smooth and lump-free. It's really important for the mixture to be smooth, otherwise you may find it difficult to get rid of the banana pieces while rinsing. Now that the mixture is ready, apply it all over your hair generously from roots to end. Cover it with a shower cap and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Finally, rinse it with a mild shampoo and the results will be very pleasing as your hair will be smooth, nourished and shiny. For some, the results may not be visible in one time. I suggest them to be patient and apply the mask twice a week or so, and your hair will thank you. If you found this DIY hair mask helpful, then please give it a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.